morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 15. Oh my god, it's almost Christmas. I'm so excited.
Little Christmas.
Good morning, you guys. Was it still the morning? Nope. Good afternoon. Welcome to Vlogmas day 15. Yesterday's vlog was like, you know, but today I woke up, I went to the Dollar Tree and then Hobby Lobby to get some things. And later today we're going to go, oh my god, my hair. We're gonna go to Street Food Cinema, which is like this really cool event for Christmas. I'm excited, but I decided I'm going to show you guys a little Dollar Tree haul and this little gift idea that I came up with. Alright, so what I was saying is that they have safety razors, the butterfly safety razors at the Dollar Tree. And these are so good. They're stainless steel, and the blade, it comes with 5 blades, so they just place those in there, and it's so cute. And then I'm just gonna go like that and put it in their stocking. That's cute, right? So I got that for 5 of them. On one of them, I think it's gonna be for my brother because he's probably gonna use it right away. I'm just gonna put one of these because the pack only came with 4 bags. I also got these really good looking movies. It's called Rob the Mob. It says true crime, true love, true story. So I thought that one looked interesting. This one is Save the Date. I'm all in for like lovey-dovey movies. And for $1, these are like good movies for $1. And it has really good actors. Yeah, I'm excited for that. And then I got my mom this pen. It's just like little extra stocking stuffers. And there's something else that I got. Oh, I got this for Jonathan, my sister's fiance. It's like one of those things you put in your wallet. Lewis and William already have that, so I thought this would be really cool for Jonathan, because every time Lewis talks about it, he's like, oh, that's cool, I want one. So I found it for $1. The ones that I gave them were like $5. So this one has a knife edge, a screwdriver, bottle opener, for position wrench, a ruler, direction ancillary, I don't know what that means, 2 position wrench, lanyard hole, butterfly wrench, saw blade, and a can opener, which is pretty good for only $1. So that's another thing. I also got the dog some bones, but I already gave it to them. I got these for my mom. She's sick right now. I got some sabritones for me. Some chorizo sticks for me. And then I got these for my mom because she was going to go with us, but since she's so sick right now, I don't think she is. And I got these for Lewis, so hopefully they make it. So yeah, right now I'm going to just put these together and then put it in their stockings and call it a day. Hey guys, so we just parked to go to the Street Food Cinema, which is like the Christmas event that I was telling you guys earlier. So we're waiting for everyone to get here before we go in. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I haven't been to a Christmas movie out here in LA, so that should be pretty cool.
Yeah, we're pretty excited.
No, stay over there, more pictures.
Where's my cookie at?
Come.
Where?
Desapareció tu arbolito.
Save me, save me.
Christmas is here. Ding dong, ding dong, there's no
Good? These are bomb.
Yourself a merry little Christmas. A merry little Christmas.
The basic ones. Oh, you got basic ones.
Is it good? Is it just the right? Oh, it has jelly.
That was really easy. Did you already do it earlier?
No,
The drink center makes it more.
Thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 15. If you can't tell, the intro and the outro were recorded the next day because I forgot. So, yeah, I'll see you guys for Vlogmas Day 16, which for me is right now. So, bye guys.
Have yourself